Have you ever found yourself frustrated while browsing a website that's just too difficult to navigate, slow to load, or confusing to use? Well, guess what? You can actually get paid to test websites like these. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating and easy way to earn money online by testing websites. Not only will you help businesses improve their websites, but you'll also make money while doing it. This is a fantastic opportunity if you're looking to start earning from home, whether as a side hustle or even as a full-time IG.so. If you're ready to learn how to get paid for simply browsing websites and giving feedback, keep watching. Let's get started. What is website testing? Before we get into the specifics of how to get paid for website testing, let's first define what it is. Website testing, also known as usability testing, involves evaluating a website's design, functionality, and user experience as a tester. Your job is to visit a website, complete specific tasks, and then provide feedback on your experience. This can include anything from checking if a button works properly to providing insights into the overall design and navigation. Companies hire website testers to ensure that their sites are user-friendly and functional, that it's a great way for businesses to get honest opinions from real users, people just like you, before launching their websites or making significant changes. Why do companies pay for website testing? You might be wondering, why would companies pay someone to test their websites? Well, the answer is simple. Businesses want to make sure their websites provide a seamless experience for their visitors. Imagine if you landed on a website and it was confusing or slow to load, that you'd probably leave, right? That's exactly what companies want to avoid. That'd be why paying for website testing. They can get real, unbiased feedback on how users interact with their site. This allows them to fix issues, improve the design, and ultimately increase their conversion rates, whether that's selling products, getting signups, or gaining leads. How to get started as a website tester. Now that you understand what website testing is and why companies pay for it, let's talk about how you can get started. The good news is you don't need any special skills or experience to become a website tester. You simply need to be someone who can follow instructions and provide honest feedback. Let's go over the steps to start earning money as a website tester. Sign up with website testing platforms. There are several platforms where companies post website testing jobs. Some of the most popular platforms include user testing, Try My UI, Testing Time. What users do these platforms connect you with companies looking for testers. Simply sign up, fill out your profile, and wait for opportunities to come your way. Create a quality profile. When signing up for testing platforms, you'll often need to fill out a profile. Make sure to include details about your background, interests, and tech preferences, as some tests are targeted to specific user demographics. The more detailed your profile, the better your chances of being selected for tests. Start testing websites. Once you're accepted into a platform, you'll start receiving testing assignments. Each test typically involves completing a set of tasks on a website, such as clicking through different pages, making a purchase, or navigating through the site's features that you'll then be asked to provide feedback through either a recorded video or written responses. Your feedback should be constructive and honest, pointing out things you like, things you didn't understand, and anything that could be improved. Get paid for your time. Website testing platforms usually pay on a per-test basis. The amount you can earn varies depending on the platform and the complexity of the test, that on average, testers can earn between $10 to $60 per test, and some tests only take around 15 to 20 minutes to complete. That's great money for such a simple task. Tips for maximizing your earnings as a website tester. To get the most out of website testing, here are a few tips that can help you maximize your earnings. Sign up for multiple platforms. Don't limit yourself to just one testing site. The more platforms you're signed up with, the more testing opportunities you'll get. Be quick to apply. Website testing jobs are often first come, first served. Make sure to check your email and the platforms regularly so you can apply for tests as soon as they become available. Complete tests with detail. The more thorough and detailed your feedback, the more likely you are to be selected for future tests. Companies appreciate testers who provide thoughtful and insightful feedback. Set aside time for testing. If you want to earn consistently, try to set aside a specific time each day or week to complete tests. The more tests you take, the more money you can make. How much can you make as a website tester? Now, let's talk about how much money you can actually make as a website tester, as mentioned earlier. Most website testers earn between $10 and $60 per test. This might seem like a small amount, but if you're completing several tests a week, it can add up quickly. Some testers even earn between $300 to $500 per month by testing websites part-time. That's a great way to make extra money, especially if you enjoy using the internet and providing feedback. Common mistakes to avoid as a website tester. While website testing is an excellent way to earn money, there are a few common mistakes that beginners make. Let's quickly go over these so you can avoid them. Not following instructions carefully. Make sure to follow all instructions carefully. If you skip a task or don't give proper feedback, you might not get paid. Relying on just one platform. As mentioned earlier, signing up for multiple testing platforms can increase your chances of getting more opportunities. Being too vague in feedback. Don't just say this website is good or I didn't like it. Provide specific, actionable feedback that businesses can use to improve their sites. That's all you need to know about how to get paid to test websites. It's a simple, flexible, and lucrative way to earn money online. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or just want to earn a little extra cash. If you're ready to start testing websites and earning money from home, make sure to sign up with one of the platforms we talked about today. Before you go, I want to ask you a question. What's the first website you'd love to test, and why? Drop your answers in the comments below. I'm excited to hear your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to Investosphere for more videos like this, and leave a comment with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay motivated, keep earning, and always keep moving forward.